This is a handy grater, but you need to keep safety in mind as it's made up of many tiny knives. Using a microplane is a two-person job. One person holds onto the microplane and the bowl, and the other person hangs onto the ingredient. Get a good grip on what you're cutting and grate back and forth over the little blades. Keep your knuckles out of the way or they'll get grated too. Tap the microplane on the rim of the bowl to take off what you've grated. This tool can be used to grate citrus peels, hard cheeses like Parmesan cheese, or garlic cloves. Always remember to stop when you don't feel safe. If you are cooking by yourself, another way to grate or zest citrus fruits is to hold onto the fruit with a good grip, then carefully drag the microplane across the peel to just remove the brightly colored skin.